Try to move that over real quick. Okay, there we go. All right. We did slope intercept. Got that slope form?
Yeah.
Did
we
we
do F and B.
We did and B. All right. Trace, loud and proud. Write the directions for example 1, please.
Equation in point slope form of the line that passes through the given slope.
Okay. For letter blow.
Yes.
And then logically, we would use point slope form. That's basically what we're getting.
All right.
Up here.
Okay.
Everybody talk loud and proud while you do it.
Y minus 3.
You gotta do it again. The first time you hit it, it doesn't really work.
4 times the quantity of x plus 1.
Way to be careful with your signs.
Way to go.
Okay, guys, big round of applause for
Good job, Trey.
point slope form. All right, did we do D?
Yeah.
We did D.
No, Mr. Fancy never D.
What was the only one we did not do then that's left? All right. We didn't do D? I didn't think we did D. Maybe you guys did it yesterday and tried to do D on your own. If you're not done D, try. If you've not done F yet,
Can I do F?
write down a word, just one of our special cases, and see if you can do F. Well done, Miss Catherine. Guys, big round of applause for Miss Catherine. Y plus 1 equals -5/2 times the quantity of x. Guys, so far, Trace and Catherine, and I'm sure most, good job of being careful with your negative signs. Do you guys understand when it's negative and positive? That whole two negatives throw kids off. Okay? Now, F is tricky. Okay? Maeve, come on up. We'll see if she can do this. Maeve, what word, and everybody else, what word are you going to write down there?
Boy.
Why?
Because it's like there's a 0.
So what is 0? Which is?
The slope.
The slope is 0. Everybody write down the word hoy. You go ahead, Maeve, go ahead. Write down the word hoy by their problem.
H-O.
Might not be able to fit it in there, but good try. That's okay. Good try. All right, so how do you think you would write the equation of a line that has a 0 slope and it goes through the point -5, -5? That's tricky.
I think I did this wrong there.
You actually kind of did do it right, but I don't want it. You did do it right, but I don't want that form. That would be 100% correct on a test or quiz. Here's what I want you to write. Get up there. Maeve.
Right there?
No, write what I'm going to tell you.
Alright.
What kind of line is it?
Horizontal.
Agreed. But equation-wise, what kind of line is it? What does the Y stand for in Hoy?
Y-intercept.
Not Y-intercept, but a Y equals line.
line.
So write Y equals. Everybody write Y equals.
I equal.
When the slope is 0, it's Hoy, and the Y stands for its Y equals line. Now, look carefully at your point. What is the Y value of your point?
5. Or 0. -5.
-5. Put a -5 after your equal sign. Box it and you're done. How many people got Y equals -5?
Sure.
Okay. Look at the one before it that we did yesterday. X equals 8. We wrote down the word Vux,
Can I do B?
and it's X equals 8. All right. On the second page, we did A and A.
B. B. I held it first.
I do second B then.
Henley, you got the first B. Pedalco, you got the second B.
Can I be on the next page?
Okay, see if you can get the point out of here. Oh, look at she's real careful with her signs. Explain what you did. How you get your point?
That would be +2, and then this would be -4.
2, -4. Very good. Now, graph the point 2, -4. What quadrant are you in?
Fourth.
Fourth quadrant. Up 2 over 1. Up 2 over 1. Do your best to draw a straight line. It's kind of hard because you have a straight edge. Okay, make sure you guys have a note card or something you can do a straight edge with. Look at that. Henley did great. The point is 2, -4. The slope is 2. All right, let's see what Matt does with. Say your point.
2, comma, -1, and the slope is -3.
Everybody be careful graphing a -3 slope. If you went up and to the right, erase it and fix it. Nice job, Matthew. Guys, when I'm making the answer keys, I always make a mistake by doing a positive slope when I should have done -1. Count carefully. You did 2.
Oh, yeah.
Erase it.
I wrote it on this.
I've done the same thing too, Matt. Oh, you were right on the first point, I think. So go up 3 and left 1. Do it again. Or go down 3. Now do your best to draw a line.
I did it right then.
It looks more like a curve, but that's okay.
You get the point.
We get the point. Okay. Be careful with your signs. All right, last page. Here we go. Now, given just a picture of your line, see if you guys can write the equation. But what I want you to do is write down, always write down your slope, and then they say use the right-hand point. So you're going to use this point that's farther to the right of the two. Okay? Harrison, you think you can do B? Come on up. May focus.
Are we cheering
That's what I thought we were doing.
Reduce it.
Yeah, I'm just thinking the stairway to Y.
And then you, what's the right point?
The right point is
Very, I don't think it's -2. There you go. So now write the equation. Maybe down at the bottom when you get some space.
2 or 3? Yeah, it's 3.
It's supposed to be a 3.
Can I like
Here, let me get it down.
so I don't have to like
Oh no.
You mean if your speaker had a grant, your butt shoes would have
Lag is
I didn't do anything.
Can I do the next page?
Mine is
You're left-handed?
-3
Very good, Harrison.
times
Read it loud and proud to everybody.
y plus 3 equals -3 times the quantity of x minus 1.
All right.
Nice job.
Now, I think this section is the toughest of all the sections we've done. Does everybody agree with that?
Can I do all of them?
Hey, why is this section, where you're just given 2 points, the most, probably the hardest section of all the sections?
Because you have to find the slope.
Because you got to find the slope first, okay? Angie S, you got B. Allie Van Pelt, you got the other, you got D. Everybody else in your seats, let's see what you can do.
All three of you
Go.
help.
Oh, you already doing?
Yeah.
But now you got to write the equation. You got a slope, and then use your first point as for your equation.
I remember this one where the clown goes his head out of the car and goes and smashes his head off.
Read it. Everybody.
Y plus 5 equals 3 times the quantity of x plus 3.
Thumbs up or thumbs down? Did she get the right slope?
Yeah.
How come she did it backwards?
Go backwards. I got it answer.
Jack Beer, do you realize we're teaching and things are going on in here, or are you just clueless right now? Stop talking. Look, guys, when she did her slope, she went to the second point to begin with, and then came back to the first one. Okay? Does that still give you a +3 slope? How many people had -6 over -2? That's probably the way you did it, which makes a +3 slope. All right, front and center, Miss Allie. You get the last one. Explain as you do things.
So I did 2 minus 7 over 0 plus 3. And then y
Do the last one, Miss Maeve. Billy, no computers right now.
2 equals negative x.
Say your answer.
Y minus 2 equals negative 5/3.
Why isn't there any thing after her x?
Because the slope is 0.
The slope is not 0. Take it back.
Oh, sorry, my answer. No, the slope
There
is.
is no slope.
Yeah,
The
The
y,
slope is
if x
negative
is 0.
5/3. Quit saying dumb things. We're gonna take right
Oh
now.
my God, Kaylee.
I'm sorry.
Kaylee's
Okay, guys, the x value of the point Allie chose was 0, so you don't need to write x minus 0. She just put an x. Either way would be fine. Okay? Two things going on, and you will probably come close to finishing everything. Okay?